If you mean a CleanMyMac deep clean tutorial, here's a practical, step-by-step walkthrough. CleanMyMac's current versions use modules such as Smart Care, Cleanup, Protection, Performance, Applications, and Space Lens rather than a single button called Deep Clean. CleanMyMac Deep Clean Tutorial Step-by-Step. 1. Install and open CleanMyMac. 1. Download CleanMyMac from the official MacPaw site. 1. 2. Open the app and allow required permissions such as full disk access if requested. 1. 3. Start with a Smart Care scan to get an overview of junk, threats, and optimization suggestions. 2. Run a deep cleanup of junk files. Go to Cleanup, System Junk. 2. 1. Click Scan. 2. Review categories such as User Cache Files, System Cache, Log Files, Temporary Files, Broken Downloads, Old Update Files. 2. 3. Click Review Details. 2. 4. Untick anything you want to keep. 2. 5. Click Clean. Tip: avoid deleting files you do not recognize from important apps or development tools, unless you know they are safe. 3. Remove large hidden files. Open Cleanup, large old files, or similar storage cleanup tools. 3. 1. Sort files by size. 3. 2. Check old DMG installers, zip archives, duplicate downloads, forgotten videos, old project folders. 3. Move important files to external storage if needed. 3. 4. Delete unnecessary items. 4. Clean application leftovers. Go to Applications, Uninstaller. 4. 1. Select unused apps. 4. 2. Let CleanMyMac find related files, preferences, caches, support files, saved states. 4. 3. Click Uninstall. This is useful because dragging an app to trash often leaves support files behind. 5. Analyze disk usage. Open Space Lens. 5. 1. Wait for the disk scan. 5. 2. Explore the largest folders. 5. 3. Look for storage-heavy areas. Movies, downloads, developer files, virtual machines, old backups. 5. 4. Delete only items you recognize. 6. Run malware protection scan. Go to Protection. 6. 1. Choose a scan mode. 6. 2. For the most thorough check, select Deep Scan. 6. 3. Run the scan. 6. 4. Review detected items before removal. CleanMyMac provides quick, balanced, and deep scan modes, with deep scan checking more locations and taking more time. 7. Optimize performance. Open Performance. Check login items, background processes, heavy applications. Disable only items you understand. Some background apps are required. For hardware features, cloud syncing, or security software. 8. Empty leftover trash. Finish with Cleanup, trash bins. Remove Maco's trash, external drive trash, old, deleted files. Recommended maintenance schedule. Weekly, Smart Care. Scan, review large files. Monthly, remove unused apps. Check startup items. Review downloads. Folder, before a Maco's upgrade. Clean system junk. Remove old installers. Ensure enough free storage. A good deep clean session usually means reviewing each category rather than clicking every delete option automatically.